Here are the tools needed to hang an object on the wall anywhere you want without having to find a stud. Your mollies, tape measure, pencil, screwdriver, or cordless drill, and a level. Let's get started. So we're gonna hang this mirror here. I already have a mark up here for how high I want it. And so all I'm gonna do is get a center between here and here. We got 62, half of 62 is 31. So I'm gonna go up to my mark here. How high we want it, so I'm gonna go 31, and somehow it's exactly on 31 already. I love when things work out like that. So this is where we're gonna put our molly, and let's go. Let's go ahead and grab our molly and our screwdriver, and it's as simple as this. So all you need to do is make a hole on your mark to screw this in. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and put it right here, go like so. A little bit of that. You could also do this with a drill, you need it. So there we go. Got our little hole. Take your molly, stick it in the hole. Go ahead and screw it in. Get the screwdriver out. There we go. Then go ahead and grab our screw, hang the picture, and screw this in. Okay. And these are rated for 115 pounds. Pretty simple. Okay, so we got the molly in, so now let's hang the mirror.